Good morning and welcome to Rockstar UK. In this episode we're going to be working on the Honda Ruckus, and we're going to be installing the Honda Grom TRS front fender kit. So let's crack on and get to it. So first of all, we need to undo these. I've got split pins in mine, definitely worth installing so that these nuts don't back out. I've already loosened them off, which is 17mm spanner. Crack them off, make sure you do the same on the opposite side, and yeah, it's pretty much that simple. So in your kit you have this nice packaging from the rock shop, and all of their parts are made in the USA. You got this little bracket where this hole here obviously fits over here, and there's a straight edge on the forks, which you can see this straight edge here, which locates and then stops basically the fender from wobbling. Now you got some nice little stainless fixings with nylocks which go in here. There's the fender itself, which comes in a lovely gloss black finish, or I think they do a white one as well. Right, so basically once you have this nut backed out, you get your bracket, you slot it on, and then literally line it up and bolt it all together. Then put your nut back on. Don't do it too tight, because obviously if you tighten this too much, obviously it stops your wheel from spinning, so, or it puts resistance on the bearings, which you want the wheel to free run. So I'm going to bolt this up. One tip though, I did have to take this axle all the way out just to drop the wheel down enough, because I've got the NCY slammed forks from the rock shop. I also, on the top of it, if I can show you, on the top here, I've actually taken the spring out and cut that down a little bit so that it's a little bit more stancy. So let's get all this bolted up and show you what the finished article looks like. Okay, so now that we have it bolted up, we have the actual nut on and the split pin. I will pinch that up a little bit more. These with nylocks on the inside. Don't need to worry about this. You can put a decorative nut on there or something. Also, sometimes people put the white like plastic rings that come with these, so you can sort of like make a little bracket up to attach this to. To be honest, it ain't going nowhere. Same on this side. So I've just literally given it a wipe over with some detailer just to get my greasy fingerprints off, but what a quick and easy install. So if you want this kit, either hit me up at Rockstar UK on Instagram, Facebook, even on here, and we will, well, I can supply this kit for your bike, and you can watch the video and show you how to install it. So if you like the video, please give it a like, share and subscribe, because it helps me out. And I'll see all you guys in the next video.